In this video, I'm going to show you or introduce to you EventCreate. First thing to do is to go to your Google web browser, type EventCreate, and sign up. Always remember that you need a valid email address to create an account. So you just have to create your password also. And then once done, this is what it looks like. So there are lots of templates here to choose. So as you can see, let's choose a design template, and there are also categories below. So you just have to click. And for example, I want to invite people for niece's birthday. So I just have to fill out the information here, the name, also the location and everything. Now, the good thing about this Event Create, or with the help of Event Create's simple website builder, anyone can quickly construct a stunning, polished event website. Start by selecting one of the handcrafted event website templates offered by their design team. From there, you can easily update the website with new material, pictures, or videos, custom fonts, and style changes. Both server setup and coding expertise are not necessary. That's the good thing about this Event Create. No need for coding. Also, Event Create allows you the flexibility to design completely design your event registration process, regardless of whether your event is a large conference with thousands of people or a small party with friends. That's how wonderful Event Create is. So, yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the result. And you can just simply edit everything here. And once you're done, you can just save or publish. As easy as that. Click on the link below to download Event Create software. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.